next portion brings together evidence about Lindsay with the children before January 24th, prior statements about the strangulation timeline, and another dispute over the medications found in the home.
What was it that Patrick Clancy said? Did he give you a name or just say my attorney?
He said Kevin Reddington.
And did he tell you why he gave the pills to Attorney Reddington instead of giving them to you like he gave the other pills?
No, he did not.
He never attempted to turn those pills into the state police, or those bottles into the state police. Is that correct?
Correct.
At some point in time, did you learn that the Clancy family had gone to the Museum of Science on January 8th, 2023?
Yes.
And was a video obtained?
Yes.
Did you watch that video?
Yes.
Did you observe the family, including the defendant, interacting with each other, and the defendant specifically interacting with the children and exhibits at the museum?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this point in time, Exhibit 14, I'd asked to play just a small portion of that. It has not been played previously.
All right.
We could pause here for just a moment. Do you see the Clancy family in this video footage?
Yes.
And if you could just get up and point to them with the court's permission.
Sure.
Okay. And we could press play. And at this point in time in the video, are we seeing Patrick Clancy take Dawson Clancy out of that room, leaving Lindsay Clancy with Callan and Cora?
Yes.
Is that Cora there in the red skirt?
Yes.
Now, at this point in the video, at approximately 11:58 and 30 seconds, what is happening in the video footage now?
Corey's beginning to play with the exhibit. Patrick's standing off by himself. Lindsay Clancy is with Callan, and Dawson is watching.
Could you just point out where Patrick and Dawson are? For the record, you've pointed to Patrick towards the top of the screen and Dawson near the entrance to the exhibit.
Yes. Yes.
And throughout this video, in this portion of the video, can the defendant be seen instructing the children, pointing to them, showing them how to work the exhibit and operating some type of control panel?
Yes.
And at some point, does the switch and the defendant helps Dawson with the same exhibit?
Yes.
And that goes on for several minutes?
Yes, I believe so.
So this is January 8th, 16 days before the death. So the jury is being shown Lindsay interacting and helping the children at the museum.
And showing, I think we've gone forward to approximately noon in the video timer. Thank you. Excuse me. Sir, during the grand jury process, did you attend a meeting with the medical examiner in this case?
Yes.
And did you participate in interviewing her, specifically Dr. Barbara Vidal Olson?
Yes.
And did you participate in interviewing her, specifically the portion of her proposed testimony where she was explaining how someone dies from strangulation?
Yes.
And would it be fair to say that at some point in time, she was asked...
Objection. Counsel sidebar.
Sir, in that meeting with the medical examiner, did she tell you that constant pressure would need to be applied even after the person went unconscious in a strangulation in order to affect death?
Yes.
Did she tell you that it takes several minutes of continuous pressure to cause death?
We have leading questions. If this is going to be admitted, can we not have leading questions? It's for a witness.
You want to ask him what she said, and then
Do you recall? Sorry.
Go ahead.
Do you recall what she said about the time it takes to strangle someone to death?
After unconsciousness, I think she said several minutes. It would take several more minutes for someone to die.
And would that be several more minutes of strangulation?
Yes.
That's important because McKelligan is recounting what he says Dr. Olson told investigators before the trial, that after unconsciousness, several more minutes of strangulation would be required to cause death.
I have no further questions. Thank you.
all right. Ms. Ray.
So she asked you about the pills that were located in the master bedroom by Patrick when I was with him, right?
Yes.
And you know that Patrick indicated that after you guys had cleared the scene, finished with your investigation, seized all the pill bottles that you were able to locate, that I went in the house with him and I took a number of items, photographs, albums, things on the wall and stuff like that, right?
All I know is the pill bottles. I don't know what else you took.
Oh, just the pill bottles. And at some point I imagine the DA must have shown you this, recognize this as being the nightstand drug?
It looks similar to the one that was in the video.
See it? You look at it?
I mean, it looks similar to the one. I've never seen that. I don't know.
Okay. So these would be the bottles that were in there, right?
I don't know.
I don't know. And do you know that when these were seized, the first thing that was done is I contacted the DA's office and said that I had them?
I don't know what you said to them.
If you want to come by my office and pick up anything they had, you're welcome to look at it, seize it, have it analyzed, send it to a crime lab. I didn't care.
I don't know what you said.
So, yeah. Thank you.
All right. He redirect?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Hey, Counsel, could I see it? Told you we might break a little bit early today, and finally, again, I was right. And so we're going to recess on this matter for you at this point. So I'm going to excuse you Monday morning, all right? So you don't have to come in here tomorrow. So I'm going to suggest that take these next couple of days, kind of rest up. I know it's been a long couple of weeks for you. I appreciate all the work that you've done. I'm going to really remind you of those instructions, because now we've got kind of a longer stretch that you're going to be at home, you're going to be talking to people. So I just want to remind you, do not talk about this case with anyone. Don't do any research about this case or similar cases. If you have any questions, don't do any research. Don't try and educate yourself on any of the issues or facts that you've heard so far in this case. Don't make any little road trips to go by any places or try and fill in any gaps. The other thing I want to remind you, you have to still keep an open mind, all right? It was probably easy to kind of nod and say yes when I said that at the very beginning of the case. But now you've heard a lot of evidence, but you haven't heard all the evidence, all right? You haven't heard the closing arguments of the attorneys. You haven't heard the law that you do apply. So I'm just reminding you have to do that. It's so important. And so I just kind of want to remind you on that. I want to thank you so much for so far all the work that you've done and all the work that you're going to do. And so I hope you have a very nice weekend. And we will see you on Monday.
And that ends this day of testimonies, with the judge reminding jurors that despite everything they've heard so far, the evidence is not finished and they must keep an open mind.